Hello, Westmere Wolf families. Today I'm going to help navigate you through our Glow Run fundraising page. So if you have any questions, hopefully this tutorial will help you answer those questions. First, you want to be on the Westmere Elementary School page. As you scroll down, you'll notice that there are two links for the Glow Run. The second link is a fundraising page handout that your child had received and brought home. So this just has information on the Glow Run itself. It also has a page regarding the fundraiser prizes. So this will answer some questions you might have regarding money, prizes that you'll get, also our raffles. On the first page there is a link. This is not an active link. But you can type this link in if you'd like to in a separate tab, and it will take you to our fundraising page. To help avoid that, we also have our link on the school website. So the first link for the Glow Run, it says Glow Run Online Donation Link. If you click this, it will take you to the fundraiser page. If you do not have a PTO account, you will need to create one. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you will start by clicking Create New Account, and I'm going to be using Mrs. Murphy as an example. So I will be typing her first name, her last name, her email, her login. She'll need to remember this for the PTO page, the password that she had given me to use, and this is confidential. Obviously the stars indicate that the words cannot be seen, and then you will have to click on the I am not a robot button to indicate that you are a person. Once you've done that, go ahead and submit, and now you've created a PTO login. Now from here, this is where it kind of gets a little tricky. There is no link to click on from here. You will have to either go back 2 times to go back to this page, or you can simply go back to the school website and click on this link once more now that you have a login, and you will use that login to type in here. Now, if you already have a login with the PTO, so if you are already a member, you will type in your login here, and it will take you to your fundraising page. So this is for Mrs. Murphy. So once you log in, you'll be directed towards this page, and this is your fundraising page. So you can see as of right now, we have $355 raised. Currently, Mrs. Murphy, obviously, she just created a page, no money raised yet. So you can edit this information to kind of manage your page if you would like to. So the title for Mrs. Murphy's page is Sandy Murphy's fundraising page. She can change that. So if she wanted to change it, she would type in something else here on this tab. But we're going to keep it the same. The URL is the link that will direct people to her fundraising page. So it's this link right here on the top. If she wanted to make her own link, she can click on the second one and provide an updated link. But we're going to go ahead and keep that the same as well. She can change her goal to have a number amount that she would like to raise. Since this is her page, again, we'll keep that the same. And you could also upload a photo so that it could indicate who the fundraising page is for. You could add a little blurb about what you're doing for the Glow Run so that people know what they're donating towards. But this would be Mrs. Murphy's page. So in order to share your page, maybe you want to share it on Facebook or Twitter or some sort of social media, you can do one of two things. One, you can highlight this link, copy and paste it on a social media website. You could also email it to family, friends, so that they can contribute to your fundraising page. So if you did copy and paste. You'd simply open up a new tab, and if this would be the page that they would go to for Mrs. Murphy. So if they wanted to donate, this is what would come up with that link, and they would click the donate button. From there, they can donate via American Express, Discover, MasterCard, and Visa. So they would kind of fill out this information to donate the certain amount of funds that they would like. Okay. From there, you could also click on one of these links on the bottom, and you can post directly your link so that people can see and possibly contribute to your fundraising page. So for example, if I were to click on the Twitter icon, it would come up with this window, and I would have to log in. But once I log in, it would tweet this link to my followers, and they would be able to contribute to my fundraising page. Same thing for Facebook. You would have to log in and then post the link on your newsfeed or your profile. So those are a couple examples on how to create your fundraising page, how to spread your link so that people can contribute to your fundraising funds. If you have any further questions on what to do, or if you have problems with any of the links or your fundraising page, you can contact one of the 5 specials teachers, Mr. Campbell, with his email, Mr. W, Mrs. Murphy, Mrs. Dallaire, or Mr. Carlson, and we will be able to hopefully answer your questions. Thank you for your time and have a good day.